Not a very good look at it, but this is what happens when you buy an electrical heater and you leave it on for way too long. Your terminals, which you can see here, get burned up. That is burned up. That is how it's supposed to look. Burned up versus looked out. These heaters are made to heat up a certain area for a certain amount of time. When you continuously run them, you will burn them out. They are not cost efficient, as you may believe, but very useful if used properly. If you burn them out, it'll burn up, and as a fire hazard. Once again, thank you for viewing.